Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace rear drum brakes on a Toyota Tacoma. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a jack, lug wrench, and a brake spoon. Safety is paramount, so properly lift your truck and secure it on sturdy jack stands. Once the vehicle is stable, remove the wheel. Then, carefully inspect the brake drum for any signs of wear or damage before proceeding. Now, let's get to the disassembly. If the drum is a bit stubborn, a few gentle taps with a rubber mallet should help loosen it. Next, you'll need a brake spring tool to safely remove the retaining springs. These can be tricky, so take your time. Once the springs are off, carefully detach the old brake shoes and all the associated hardware. Keep track of where everything goes for reassembly. With the old components removed, it's time to install the new ones. Start by thoroughly cleaning the backing plate with brake cleaner to remove any dust or debris. Then, apply a thin layer of high-temperature brake grease to all the contact points where the shoes meet the backing plate. Now, carefully install your new brake shoes and all the associated hardware, working in the reverse order of removal. Double-check all connections. Almost there, reinstall the brake drum, ensuring it slides on smoothly. Now, adjust the star wheel through the access hole until there's a slight drag on the drum. If you open the brake lines, remember to bleed them to remove any air. Finally, reinstall your wheel, lower the vehicle, and test the brakes in a safe area. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.